musclewood, blue beech, or ironwood. These are all common names for what's known as the American hornbeam. It's in the birch family. It has the scientific name of carpinus caroliniana. It has one of the most shock-resistant woods of all trees in North America. Its common name, hornbeam, is derived from the fact that the wood is so hard it can take a nice polish and glisten kind of like an animal's horn, and beam because it's used to make the beam part of a yoke to keep two oxen apart from each other. I like to think of this tree in the context of a Wisconsin farmer in the 1800s walking their property, seeing one of these trees and knowing that from then on, if they harvested their hammer and their axe handles from this tree, they're probably never going to break. There's a test where wood scientists will drop 50-pound weights onto 2-by-2-inch thicknesses of different trees. This tree, I think, is number 2 of all trees in North America in that test. It can withstand over 100 inches of that 50-pound weight falling on it. If we think of another strong wood like white oak can only withstand a little over 30 inches. So this is basically like 3 times stronger than white oak. So you may wonder why you maybe haven't heard of this, or why a ship like the USS Constitution, nicknamed Old Ironsides, wasn't made of hornbeam. Well, these trees don't get much thicker and taller than the specimen you see here. If they're grown in the understory, they usually have one central leader. They don't take on this shrub form like you can see here. But they never really dominate a forest, so it's hard to be economically viable as a timber species when they're kind of rare and they don't have a lot of wood on each specimen. There are some unique diagnostic characteristics of this tree. One of them is its very sinewy and fluted trunk. And the other one are these really pretty and showy, and that's probably why it was planted here. The University of Wisconsin-Madison's Health Science Campus. You can see this is the fall display of the seeds. They have these little false leaves around them, and the little seed nutlets are inside there. They're very unique and very pretty. American hornbeam. Most shock-resistant wood you're probably going to find in the woods, and very showy, beautiful fall seeds.